meteorologist Kristen Van Dyke, and we already broke rain totals for the month of December.
Oh, yeah.
And you called it.
Oh, yeah. So it happened today. We've gotten so much rain. We're about to get hit with more rain tonight. And we are at over 13 inches, nearing 14 inches of rain for the month of December, day after day after day. In fact, we broke the record for consecutive rainy days in December, too, at 21 days now. So you can see our departure now. We're at almost a 10-inch surplus for the month. Salem getting close to 14 inches, 11 inches in Eugene, and nearing 20 inches, which could happen by the time we get through this week for Astoria. So it's just been very, very wet around here. We still have two systems to get through that could bring in more hefty rain totals. And by the time we get into Wednesday evening, we're looking at places picking up between 3/4 of an inch to maybe even another 1.5 inches of rain for the valley and for coastal areas too. I think that'll be about the extent of it, but we are going to have to deal with more rain, not only tomorrow, but especially as we go through Wednesday. Right now, we're trying to get some more rain going. 47 degrees out there. Winds are coming in from the southwest at 13, so the winds have died down. And they will stay a lot lighter through the evening, and it will get blustery from time to time this week, but it will not be as strong as what we had to deal with today. So that's good news, at least. Mid-40s as we head through the 7 and 8 o'clock hour, dodging showers. By 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we start to see a lot of that activity wind down. But take a look at this. We're seeing some moderately heavy rain coming down just south of Portland, back towards Tualatin, Oregon City, coming out of the Hillsborough area. Newburgh down into Donald, and then as we zoom in closer, you can see some of these showers continue to head east, and so we'll likely see some of that move into Portland areas just north of Portland, up between Vancouver and Battleground. So still some wet weather to get through, and of course you get high enough up in the Coast Range and it's coming down as snow, and we continue to see showers develop off the coast and push on in, and then of course it's hitting the Cascades, and we have snow coming down there where winter storm warnings are in effect for tonight until 10 p.m. because of that and the windy conditions. Another system set to move in. We have two more to get through. One moves in for the second half of tomorrow, and then another one on its heels for Wednesday. And we are tapping into some deeper moisture out of these systems, so that will mean heftier rain totals, but especially hefty snow totals. So live picture here from Mount Hood Meadows, and you can see the snow blowing in the wind. It still continues to come down. So until 10 p.m. tonight, winter storm warnings, and then we start to see things back off there. We also have winter weather advisories out across parts of Oregon, too, on a stretch of I-84 there, and that goes until 4 a.m. tomorrow. We could pick up another 2 to 3 inches of snow overnight, but the big snow totals will come from this winter storm watch as we gear up for these next two systems. This starts tomorrow afternoon, and we keep that in effect until 4 a.m. Thursday. We're talking 1 to 3 feet for the Cascades, 1 to 2 feet for the Coast Range, with snow levels getting down to 1,500 feet. So if you have travel plans, Wednesday looks like it's going to be a tough day travel-wise, whether it's north, east, west, or even south. So heads up for you there. 7 a.m. tomorrow, though, I think we'll be looking pretty nice, mainly dry across the metro area. Snow showers winding down, too. So a dry start tomorrow, just in time for that evening commute. Tomorrow afternoon, those showers roll back through again. And then we get into Wednesday, and then Wednesday will be the wetter the next 2 days. We have showers on and off all day long, and of course that comes down as heavy snow for the Cascades. By the time we get into Thursday, Christmas Eve, we get cut off from some of that deeper moisture. We'll have some leftover showers, but mainly for the high terrain there. Your forecast for the coast tomorrow: rain at times, less wind, highs in the 40s, and we'll try to pick up another half inch or so of rain there. I-5 mid-40s rain mainly in the afternoon and evening, and then the next round moves in Wednesday. Central and east, snow starts to develop late in the day, and we could pick up 1 to 3 inches tomorrow night, and then we could pick up another couple of inches for places like Bend and Sisters and Matras after that. So going to Wednesday, Cascades, developing snow and blustery through the gorge rain, and a lot less wind. 7-day forecast, highs in the 40s with rain at times Tuesday, rain at times Wednesday wetter. Thursday, just a slight chance for showers. Same thing for Friday. So mainly spotty activity, but it'll be chilly as we head into Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Highs around 40, lows close to the freezing mark, and even next weekend looks a little drier for us. The weather finally looks to be a little more tame once we get through about the middle part of the week. So just in time for the holidays, except for the mountains. Lots of snow.
Lots of snow.
Which is fun, but you want to be careful.
Maybe you can catch a break too and get your cold better.
I know. So I didn't hit the slopes. I think I was pushing it too hard. I went up there over the weekend, and it was so fun.
Well, we certainly hope you feel better.
Thanks.
Thanks for keeping us up to date on all this weather.
Absolutely.
Okay, coming up, find out how homeowners are getting